How to perform factory reset on Android smartphone.
Performing a factory reset on an Android smartphone can be a useful solution in situations where the device is not functioning properly or has become slow due to excessive data or app usage. A factory reset will erase all data, including apps, files, photos, and settings, returning the device to its original state. In this article, we will provide a step-by-step guide on how to perform a factory reset on an Android smartphone. Before we begin, it is important to note that performing a factory reset will erase all data from the device. Therefore, it is essential to back up all important data such as contacts, photos, and files before proceeding with the reset. Step 1. Open the Settings app. The first step is to open the Settings app on the Android smartphone. This can be done by tapping on the gear icon on the home screen or by swiping down from the top of the screen and selecting the Settings icon. Step 2. Find the Backup and Reset option. Once the Settings app is open, scroll down until you find the System option, tap on it, and scroll down until you find the Backup and Reset option. Step 3. Backup important data. Before proceeding with the factory reset, it is essential to back up important data such as contacts, photos, and files. Tap on the Backup My Data option to enable it. This will back up your device's data to your Google account. Step 4. Erase all data. Once you have backed up your important data, it is time to proceed with the factory reset. Tap on the Factory Data Reset option. This will open a confirmation screen, informing you that all data, including apps, files, photos, and settings, will be erased. Tap on the Reset Phone option to proceed. Step 5. Enter your password. In some cases, the device may prompt you to enter your password to proceed with the reset. This is done to prevent unauthorized access to the device. Enter your password and tap on the Reset Phone option to proceed. Step 6. Confirm the reset. Once you have entered your password, the device will ask you to confirm the reset. This is the last chance to back out before the reset erases all data from the device. Tap on the Erase Everything option to proceed with the reset. Step 7. Wait for the reset to complete. The reset process can take several minutes to complete, depending on the amount of data on the device. During this time, the device will restart several times. It is important to not interrupt the reset process or turn off the device while the reset is in progress. Step 8. Set up the device. Once the reset is complete, the device will restart, and the initial setup screen will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the device. This will include selecting the language, connecting to a Wi-Fi network, and signing in with your Google account. In conclusion, performing a factory reset on an Android smartphone can be a useful solution in situations where the device is not functioning properly or has become slow due to excessive data or app usage. However, it is essential to back up all important data before proceeding with the reset, as it will erase all data from the device. By following the step-by-step guide provided in this article, you can perform a factory reset on your Android smartphone with ease.